Communication is not just about what you say, but how you say it, and how you present yourself. Effective communication will allow you to engage your listeners and get your point across clearly. Depending on the level of your ICM course, you may be asked to give a presentation to help you prepare for your exams. This is important as you may also have to give presentations to colleagues and managers during your career. The purpose of this video is to help you develop communication and presentation skills that will help you not only in your studies, but in other areas of life as well. To be an effective communicator, you need to be able to convince people of what you say and make them want to listen to you. You must be believable. A balanced and well-reasoned point tends to be more successful than one with a biased viewpoint or one that uses over-emotive language. Supporting your point with evidence makes your message even stronger as it has facts to back it up, making it more credible. However, be careful that you don't contradict yourself, as this can leave the audience confused and your point may be misunderstood. Communication is a two-way street. Having good rapport with your audience is very important. The best way to achieve a good relationship with your audience is to avoid reading from a script or slides. Take note of their reaction to what you say and be ready to make small changes. Confidence is key. You should present yourself as a person of authority who can talk confidently and hold the audience's attention. Body language, how you dress, and your general demeanour all contribute towards this. Communication skills are not the only important part to delivering a good presentation. One key skill for a presenter is to make sure that you understand your audience so you speak to them appropriately. You should think about the potential audience whilst planning your presentation to make sure they'll be able to understand and follow what you're saying. Targeting the wrong audience can put you in an awkward position, so it's best to be organised and gather some information beforehand about whom you'll be presenting to. Another skill is being able to speak fluently and only use your notes for reference. This can take a while to develop, so practice is key. Start by using small speaking exercises, such as talking about a subject you have good knowledge on and speaking about that topic for a minute. Over time, you'll find your sentences go from incoherent to well-structured. Everyone has a different approach, but listening to the techniques used by other speakers can also help. As you practice this skill, you won't just improve your fluency, you will also improve your self-confidence, enhancing your presentations from amateur to professional. Finally, you must have good knowledge on the subject. In many professional careers, an in-depth knowledge of your subject is required in order to effectively do your job. If there's something you don't understand, then don't talk about it, or make sure that you do understand it before you present. An audience can tell if the presenter doesn't know or doesn't understand what they're talking about, so background research is vital for a good presentation. If you wish to know more about presentation skills, then sign up for the ICM e-learning course. One benefit of ICM student membership is it gives you access to an expanding e-learning suite, which includes courses such as presentation skills, as well as other courses to help further your studies at all levels.